Want to organize your ideas, notes, and tasks digitally? In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use the Post-it app on your phone where you can do all these things easily. So, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your phone. Now, tap on the search bar and type Post-it app. From the search results, select the official Post-it app and tap Install or Get to download it. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Now, sign into your account or create a new one if required. Once the app opens, choose a board template or tap the plus icon to start your own board. Next, tap on Add Note to create a new digital Post-it note. Type your text, choose a color, and customize the note as needed. You can add multiple notes to your board and drag them around to organize your ideas. The app also allows you to capture physical Post-it notes using your phone's camera and convert them into digital notes. To do this, tap on the camera icon and follow the on-screen instructions to scan your notes. You can also share boards with others and collaborate on projects in real time. Once you're finished, your notes and boards will be saved automatically for future access. And that's it. You now know how to use the Post-it app on your phone to organize ideas, tasks, and projects more efficiently.